decided to listen to the lies of the Meraglim that kind of enhanced this evil power that is sort of like having an impact in the world? Like, did they have certain something to do with it somehow?
They have everything to do with that. So all of the decrees from that they goes from heaven, actually they prepared here in the world. So wherever we send up, it's actually the same decree comes down. You understand? So if they say we're all going to die, we cannot go back, we cannot survive in this desert, stuff like that. We cannot go to the land of Israel. So that's what's the decree. You understand? And it came up to Shemaim and said, "Oh, that's what you want? Okay, no problem. Amen." We say Amen. We say stand. So that's why it's not. If you read the Talmud, for example, so the people would not say some bad things about themselves, right? The word is euphemism, right? So they would euphemism is if my enemy, if something would this and this happened to my enemies. So in the Talmud, the commentary explains. So the guy say if something would happen to me, so is speaking about him, but he does not want to say it out loud, right? Because when person say it out loud, so it might go to the heavenly court, and they might take it literally. So especially, I mean, today people is not as careful, but in olden days people were very careful not to pronounce anything negative about themselves. And sometimes people started speaking about like, they trying to do Teshuvah, but me personally, I always stop them. Okay, you did whatever you say, but that's enough. You have to stop. Okay, deep inside you did Teshuvah, but don't say it out loud. Don't create this persecution against yourself. You understand? So that we have to be very careful, right? And David many times said, "My animals, enemy, my enemy." But the commentary explained, "My enemy," meaning himself. Yeah. So there is for sure. Okay. Any other questions? Any topic? Before I stop.
So Rabbi, about this thing that you're talking, so you're saying that you're not allowed to say like you don't want to die or something like that because you did something wrong or something like that? Like
yes.
Can you explain? Yeah.
Yes, yeah. Well, not even that. You know, the person said, I almost had a heart attack. The guy left me a message, younger fellow, because he did, I'm not going to repeat what he did, but I deserve this and I deserve that. I say, you know that, just stop it. Stop it with what you deserve. You deserve, your job is to do Teshuvah, remind yourself what you did, and don't say it out loud. You understand? Don't bring the judgment with your mouth upon yourself. Of course, don't say you die. Don't say this. Don't say punishments about this. Okay, I deserve it. Stop it. Stop with that. Okay, so try not to be such a big tzaddik. And I explained to him. Of course, I have to shake people up a little, right? So I explained to him, so that's not helping the case. So all of these phrases, that's very good, but if you do Teshuvah, even quietly, it would be even better. You know, just stop this sin. Stop. Don't say I deserve this and deserve that. So if you just know in your mind, that's enough. Especially like out loud, especially recording. Of course, I deleted the recording. I don't want to have this file against this guy on my phone. Right? I don't want to be the one that persecutors are going to come for his file. But that's a general thing. Yes, we don't say bad things about us. Don't say bad things about our close ones. But bad people, we all should try not to say if it's not so necessary. Right? Because if a judgment comes, they say, okay, this guy, this girl is a witness. So, okay, he's a witness, she's a witness. Let's check if this witness actually, if he's reliable. Okay, so let's open his file, her file. Then they open our files and say, whoa, You know what? Before this guy, for what this person spoke about, for sure he deserved punishment for sure. Yeah, whatever he said, even he does not know 3%. But this guy, the witness that he spoke about, that person also not so clean, in different area, different sins. But so we're trying to be very careful with our speech. Okay. Good questions.